shawty's want the spotlight. Lights, camera, action, make a scene. Don't hit me crying from your bedside.
Hello friends, welcome back. I am doing a voiceover because I was talking during this intro and I felt like I might have had my microphone on backwards because this audio sounded awful. But I wanted to share my headband. I have been getting headbands from Hello Headband, and they are a company or brand that I found through Holly Gabriel off of YouTube on here and Instagram, and I love them so much. They are so cute, and I get a lot of compliments on them. But you guys, I got a freaking Cricut, an Explorer Air 2. I have been just so Cricut happy and so excited, and I just really wanted to share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and hop into today's video. Let's do some cricketing, let's do some crafts together, and let's dive in.
Don't hear me crying from your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can't give you my heart. I can't give.
So lots and lots of goodies in here, lots of vinyl and cardstock and just different things and tools, and I'm just so happy I bought like a bundle of everything because I felt like it would have been a lot more expensive to buy a Cricut and then buy everything separately. I felt like it was cheaper just to buy it all together. So I just love everything that came in it, and I have just been so excited, and I've been playing around with it ever since, and I've made so many crafts. You guys definitely check out my Instagram down below. I'll leave it in the description for you guys because I have been making so many like customized cups too, and they're so cute. So once I started pulling everything out and just looking at everything and just being in such an awe because I felt like it was like Christmas or my birthday, I actually did set up the Cricut design space. So this is a program that it comes with a Cricut, and it actually has tons of like pre-made designs that you can go ahead and start using, but you can also pay like a monthly subscription to use a lot more of the designs on there. And there still is some that you may have to pay for, but they're like $1.99, and you can just use those over and over again. So I think it's a really good deal, but I just really appreciate like all the stuff that comes with this bundle. Like I felt like I was already like prepared, ready to go. Like I had everything that I could possibly need, but it was really nice, and I liked how you can store things in the Cricut. Like you guys can see here, I have my little scraper in here, and it's magnetized so it like can stay really nice and tight and closed in and not like fall out or anything. But I like how people can put their names on here, so you can put like creative or be creative. Like I've seen so many people like actually put a design on their Cricut, which is really cool, and you can just put it like on the top there. So something I may do in the future. But so the first project I'm doing is a cup. It's a shaker cup that I am doing for myself, and it's going to say let's get sweaty, and it has a dumbbell on it because if you guys are new here and you don't follow my Instagram, I post daily on my stories and share my workouts and my health and fitness and just all that stuff. So one of the sayings I always say in my stories is let's get sweaty, let's do this, let's get pumped, let's get hyped, take some hype juice, which is my pre-workout, and I get started. So
if you set yourself on fire, I never let you burn. I would smoke you till my lungs hurt and love you till I'm dirt. I'm not sure where all this goes.
So a cool little hack that I found, because when you lay your vinyl on your like little pad here and you put it into the Cricut, it is not flat. It is kind of like a little edge, and then like your thing's too long, so it's not straight, and then like slopes off. So one thing that I found to really help with this is just use one of your like extra rollers, or like the like thing that comes with the vinyl, the little, just like, it looks like a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll. You just put it at the end of your vinyl, and it keeps everything straight, and it just rolls with it as the Cricut like pulls it in and out, and it just works really well. I have done so much research, and I've watched so many YouTube videos and so many TikToks, and like tried to just like be so knowledgeable about this before I started with it, because vinyl is expensive and I'm not trying to waste any product or mess up. So I did watch a lot of videos before I started with this Cricut journey, and I feel like I've gotten really well at it and just have been super good. So far, haven't had any mistakes or like anything that's really been like anything that I've like really messed up, or like, I don't know, I just haven't had any main issues. So I'm just really glad I did my research ahead of time, because it has helped me a ton.
You're always there first. When I felt like I could give up, you showed me my worth. I'd follow you into that desert, and if worst came to worst, I would fight off all your monsters. Yeah, I would break the curse. I'm not sure where all this goes. What I do know is I'll never let you go.
So Cricut actually comes with their own transfer tape, but I found on Amazon like this giant roll of transfer tape. It's just a lot more affordable, and there's a lot more of it. So I feel like if you guys are going to be using transfer tape a lot, like for business, or you're making a lot of things like all the time, definitely check it out. I can try to link it down in the description box for you guys so you guys can find it. I'll try to put it on my Amazon store for my Cricut things if you guys want to. Just make sure you peek down there. It may not be down there right away because I have to go to work right after this video, but I will try to get it on there so you guys can find it. But I loved this project. Even though it's my first one and it wasn't that great, I think I did pretty dang good for it being my first time using my Cricut, and I'm loving this thing, you guys. I'm a nursing student, and I've not like wanted to do my homework. I've not wanted to go anywhere. I did not want to go to school the other day. I'm like, I just want to stay home and Cricut. Like, I'm so excited, you guys, about this. You have no idea. Like, I've been wanting something like this for the longest time, and to be able to customize my things. But my wedding is coming up next year, and I really wanted to have a Cricut just to be able to really customize and DIY some stuff for my wedding as well, for like bridesmaids robes and all that fun stuff. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys get notifications, because I will have more videos up on me Cricuting and DIYing stuff for my wedding as well. So if that interests you, make sure you guys stick around.
When my world is falling apart, you're always there first. When I felt like I could give up, you showed me my worth. When my world is falling apart, you're always there first. When I felt like I could give up, you showed me my worth.
All right, you guys, so this actually quickly became a very big problem. I am obsessed with my Cricut. It's official. I am obsessed. For the next few days, seriously bought so much more vinyl. I bought gift bags. I bought tons of Starbucks like reusable cups. I bought a sleeve. I bought color changing cups, shaker cups. I made tumbler care cards. Like, I quickly turned this into a little side gig for some extra income and to make little projects, because I feel like this is so fun. I was packaging some orders, so I put some confetti tissue paper into a box, I got a couple boxes from Walmart. They were less than $1, and I went ahead and put people's cups into the box, and then I added like a little thank you card, like thank you for your support, closed that sucker up, shipped it out, and on to the next cup. I have sold probably like 7 to 8 cups, and I'm really excited. I think eventually I would love to put these on my Etsy shop, but I just have to make sure I have enough vinyl to take that many orders because I ran out of vinyl pretty quick. So but it's definitely in the near future. I'm so excited, so make sure you guys stick around, subscribe to my channel, check out my Instagram specifically made for my Starbucks cups down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.